Hi, this is Greg Lowe. This is another video in the SDU Tools series called Dates Between and Date Dimension Columns. We've recently added a few more new functions that can be useful here for working with dates. The first is just called Dates Between. It returns you all the days as a table between two dates. Now notice in the second example here I've actually put the dates in reverse order. No errors thrown, it just won't return any dates. So let's try the first one. And you see we number the dates coming out in case you happen to want a count of which day you're up to, and then we have the dates within the period. If you have a date, as I said, where the first day is after the last day, when you run that you'll just get an empty row set back. Now one of the situations where this function is very useful is if I need to return a date dimension and I want to be able to do that for a whole series of dates. This is common in a data warehouse. So let's look at an example of this. So the first one here, I say select from date dimension columns. Let's do this for the 31st of January 2017. And the second parameter says which month does the financial year start in. So if we look at that and execute it, we get back a set of columns. So we have date, day number, day name, short day name, month name. We have short month name, calendar month label, the calendar year label, and the day of the calendar year. Then we have the fiscal related ones. So we have the fiscal month number and label. We have the fiscal year, a year label, the day of the fiscal year, and finally we have the ISO week number based on the concept of an ISO week, as opposed to the week number which is normally returned by SQL Server, which is a funky old Sybase one. Now why this becomes interesting is I could then combine that with the dates between function and do a cross apply, and then we could return all the columns for a range of dates. So in this case I said, look, select from the 1st of February 2018 to the 1st of April 2018, and then cross apply that with the date dimensions, and then notice we can use this and get back a full set of all the dates in that period with all the columns that are used then typically in a date dimension. We hope you find this really useful. For more information on SDU Tools and for a link to download them, please visit our site at sqldownunder.com.